Thanksgiving trading gobbles up gains with just a little bit of patience. So Thanksgiving week is here and the markets are winding down for the holidays. They've already wound down as I'm recording this, but the SPX continues to be stuck in its range. However, we did make the most of it by banking a small, cheeky little day trade with 0 day to expiration options, basically taking that viewpoint of range reversal off the range high down to the range low. You can see the broker statements on the screen there, and we collected $3 in premium and eventually bought it back for 30 cents for a 90% return of our maximum potential profit there. Anyway, let's see what's coming up ahead for us and let's take a look at the charts. So Thanksgiving typically brings a slower market week again, so it's not really unsurprising that we see price being contained in this prior trading range that we've previously noted. Again, we've got virtually no trading on the regular markets. The futures are again reduced trading. The market closed. Everything else closes at 1 p.m. today. And essentially that means that we're still making money because we don't need the markets to be open to make money with an income styled system. As long as the trade idea isn't challenged, we'll still make money. So we can have a flat market, we can have a sideways market, we can have a trending market, as long as it's not unfavorable. So for example, if we're bullish and the market goes down, then that trade's not being challenged. Anyway, we have the again, the range is, again, we took our key off the prior range here, and what we noted, or what we have noted, is that the Bollinger Bandwidth down at the bottom here, we can see that it's starting to contract again. And all that means is that the Bollinger Bands are getting closer together compared to what they have been, again suggesting that we're going into a consolidation. Now, the fact that we're already in that prior consolidation, we already made that observation. Now, what I also find interesting is that when we have these pinch points, I like to take the Bollinger Band low at the time and the Bollinger Band high at the time, and we can see that we're not a million miles away from the prior established range. So again, we've saved ourselves a little bit of frustration waiting for the official signal and just applying a little bit of common sense to say, hey, we're back in this prior range. It's probably going to behave in a very similar way. So we've stayed in this range, the range is held, and we've offered, well, it has offered some predictable trading again from the range lows to the and then from the range highs to the lows to the highs to the lows. So until something new happens, the same thing is going to continue. We're in a range, and that's probably going to continue. So for Friday, I'll watch for movements down to the lower boundary. I'm still overall bullish on the market despite my very short-term bearish trade. So I'm looking for those reversals off the range low and breakouts of the range high for new trading opportunities. I'll reevaluate a bearish opportunity or a bearish swing should the landscape change. Again, we'll update that as we're going. But for now, I remain bullish, looking for bullish opportunities. Again, I'm not discounting bearish trades, but as we've already said previously, they're going to be very short-lived. So again, I'm not looking anything beyond 1, 2, 3 days as a max. So there we have it. I'm looking for new trading opportunities. And again, probably because of it's usually a quiet day, the Friday after Thanksgiving. So unless we get down to those range lows, I'm probably going to do what everyone else does and take the long weekend and just start enjoying the weekend just a little bit early. If you like what you've heard today and want to learn a specific trading strategy that I use that profits from short-term income trading like the ones I've described, then click the link next to this video and you'll be taken to a free training that I recently held that outlines one of my favorite money-making patterns. So click the link and I'll see you over there.